Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In this pour, I'm going to be doing a bloom pour using nothing but mixed pouring medium and paint, and maybe a little bit of water. I got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. I will put a listing of all the paints I'm using and ratios in the description box below. Let's get our base on, let's get our colors on, and let's do this pour. There is my first attempt at a large scale bloom pour using only mixed pouring medium. I think it turns out pretty great. If you like this video, please check out this video. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.